everyone, welcome to Haydocy Airstream RV here in Columbus, Ohio. My name is Meyers. Today we'll be taking a look at the beautiful 2010 Victorinox Special Edition Airstream that we have. It's 19 feet in length. It has a dry weight under 4,000 pounds and it sleeps 3 to 4 people. So let's take a look inside. So almost immediately as you step in, you do see the Special Edition cushioning here with the gray and red coloring. The dinette does also drop down into a sleeping area. If you look above, we do have the LED lighting for your dinette needs, whether you're eating or reading a book while you're sleeping. You do get some additional storage up top, along with some audio input here and a DVD and CD multiplayer. Once you step into the galley in the kitchen, you do get more storage up top, along with a lighting here, a stainless steel sink, along with a beautiful sink design and faucet. You do get a vent with a light on the range, along with a 3-burner top. And an oven below, along with some additional storage in the cabinets and drawers below. I don't know if I should cut to this or go over here next.
No, you can.
Just go. All right, cool. Looking over here, we do get more storage, as you can see, with an LED light. So for any pantry or clothing items. Looking across, we do get more storage by the entryway door here. So you get a ton of shelves for anything you might need to pack up on your trips. You do get a Samsung TV, and it is on a swivel for dinette or bedroom, along with a Dometic refrigerator. And it does have a freezer here as well. There is some below storage under the fridge. You can drop down and stuff anything in there, as well as under the bed. You do get a folding privacy door that you can see here. You just unsnap it and drag it across. Looking to the right, you have your sink area, along with some medicine cabinets up top and mirrors. So it does, again, allow plenty of storage for your bathroom or toiletries. And you do have some light switches, as well as your furnace and water heater switches over here as well. And you do get more storage down below for maybe toilet paper or any other supplies that you might bring along. Before we step into the bathroom, I do want to point out the Victorinox Swiss Army clock here on the door. Pretty neat. And looking in here, you do get a full shower and toilet. Very good size in the shower. I can stand up all the way here. I'm about 6 feet tall myself, so plenty of room to lather up and rinse off here. You do get a window for some natural lighting, and as well as LED light up top with a fan in case you need to vent out any air. Thank you all for watching. This is, again, our 2010 Victorinox Special Edition Airstream, 19 feet in length. If you have any questions, just give us a call here at Haydocy Airstream RV, 614-279-8880, or come in and visit us at 3865 West Broad Street in Columbus, Ohio. Thank you.